Hello and welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you how to charge the Mavic Pro's battery. The Mavic Pro's intelligent flight battery must be charged by a DJI approved charger or battery charging hub. The battery's optimal charging temperature is 5 degrees to 40 degrees. The charger will stop charging if the battery's cell temperature is not within the temperature range. Do not cover the charger or intelligent flight battery during the charging. Charging with the charger. Turn off the intelligent flight battery before removing it from the Mavic Pro. Connect the battery to the charger. The battery level indicators will blink and show the current battery level during the charging. When the battery is fully charged, the battery level indicators will be all off. Remove the intelligent flight battery from the charger. The charging is complete. Charging with the battery charging hub. Connect the charger to the bottom power port on the charging hub. And the status LED indicator will turn solid yellow. Insert the intelligent flight battery into the battery port to start charging. The charging hub can charge up to 4 intelligent flight batteries at a time. The intelligent flight batteries with the highest power level will be charged first. During the charging, the status LED indicator will blink green slowly. When the status LED indicator is solid green, all the batteries are fully charged. Remove the batteries from the charging hub and the charging is complete. Thank you for watching.